Hardline Products, innovating the powersports industry for 3 decades. Hardline Products, Inc. was built on a foundation of precision, passion, and practicality. For over 3 decades, we have established ourselves as a premier manufacturer of high-quality accessories for the marine and powersports industries. Headquartered in Stuart, Florida, our operations are driven by a strategic study of marketplace dynamics, detailed demographic analysis, and an unwavering commitment to meeting the real-world needs of enthusiasts. We don't just manufacture products, we engineer solutions. By identifying gaps in the market and evaluating competing alternatives, we design accessories that riders and boaters genuinely need, delivering professional-grade performance at an exceptional value. We combine the efficiency of modern manufacturing technologies with the reliability of old-school craftsmanship to ensure every product that leaves our facility meets the highest standards. Hardline Products is more than a consumer brand. We are a backbone of the industry. We have solidified our reputation as a trusted source for private label manufacturing, producing essential components for some of the biggest names in the business. We are proud to serve as a manufacturing partner for industry giants including Yamaha, Polaris, Moose Off-Road, Quad Boss, race-winning brands, Pro X, Wiseco, Sierra, West Marine, Mercury Marine. Guided by the rigorous standards of our OEM partnerships and supported by feedback from dealers and customers, we continuously refine our product line. Through the experience of our dedicated staff, the insights of our partners, and the enduring vision of our founder, Hardline Products is committed to delivering the finest powersports accessories to markets both domestically and internationally.